mind is in a special state now. A state where the conscious mind steps aside, and the subconscious remains open. Receptive. Ready. Bring your attention to how you feel in this moment. Only to recognize it. Only to be present with it. There is a sensation within you right now. Perhaps it is tension. Perhaps it is tiredness. Perhaps it is simply stillness. Whatever you notice, that is the starting point. And as you pay attention to it, your subconscious understands that something is about to change. That this programming is here to install itself deeply. In the place where well-being has always existed. And today it is being recognized again. And while your attention remains there, you may notice how everything else begins to move farther away. The sounds around you become distant. Thoughts lose their urgency, as if you were descending. A little more, and a little more. Each breath takes you further inward. Deeper than you were a moment ago. Even deeper still. In that place, your subconscious is completely open, completely receptive, ready to receive what comes next. And perhaps you begin to notice that something within you already knows well-being. Not as something that has to be built from zero, but as something that has already existed. Perhaps you remember a moment when everything seemed to be in its place, where the body felt light, the mind was clear, the emotions were at peace, that moment existed, and the ability to return to that state also exists. It never disappeared. It was only covered by the discomfort that had been accumulating. And today, those layers begin to release. And perhaps you begin to notice that this discomfort begins to lose its place. You do not have to do anything. Only observe how it dissolves. That feeling of weight that has no clear name loses strength. It loosens. It moves away. That emotional noise that is always in the background. The tension that never fully leaves. The mind that cannot find a balance. All of that loses its automatic hold, loses its speed, loses its power. Not because you suppressed it, but because beneath all that discomfort, something that was always there begins to appear. A natural state of balance, where the body works in harmony with the mind, where emotions flow without getting stuck. That state is your deepest nature, and it is returning now. This new programming is installing now. It sinks in. It records itself. It enters deeper than any discomfort you have carried. Your mind works in your favor more and more. And perhaps you begin to notice that something within you reorganizes. Your body recognizing its natural ability to feel well. Your mind finding its point of balance. Your emotions flowing without resistance. Everything in harmony, not as something you forced, but as something you allowed. And perhaps you remember a recent moment where something small felt right. A conversation that relieved something. An instant where the body felt light. A moment of clarity in the middle of the noise. And in that memory, you can feel how it grows, how it expands, how it shows your subconscious that well-being has already happened, and that it can happen again with more and more ease. This programming sinks in now. It settles into your subconscious. It records itself with strength. And if at any moment your mind wanders, process, because even in silence, the reprogramming continues at a level deeper than words. Perhaps you begin to notice that you have always been someone capable of feeling well, that discomfort was never your nature. It was something that accumulated, and today it is dissolving. You are someone whose body naturally moves toward balance, whose mind finds clarity when it is given space, whose emotions know how to flow when they are not suppressed. Everything connected, everything in harmony. This new identity begins to feel natural, more natural than discomfort, more real than fragmentation, more yours than any imbalance you have carried. This programming is fixed, recorded, integrated deeper, and your mind works in your favor more and more. And when you are going through your day, every time you notice tension or discomfort, bring your hand to the center of your chest, even if only for 1 second. In that moment, this process activates automatically. Your subconscious already knows the way, and it follows it on its own. Before finishing, feel that state of balance, still there, still present. That is the signature of what happened today. The signal that this programming entered. Your mind is already changing, deeper and deeper, more and more real. This change has already happened, and it continues expanding. Even without you noticing. Beyond this audio, in every moment where discomfort tries to settle in, this programming will respond first. Reminding you who you are. Someone whose natural state is balance. Someone who lives in harmony with themselves. Well-being is not a luxury. It is your natural state. It records itself, and you are already living